Here's how to convert WebP images to JPEG. So I created an app with my brother. It's called ConvertSave, and it's a drag and drop file converter for your desktop. And so all you have to do is drag your WebP images in or any other image file, and then you can select your output. In this case, we'll select JPEG. You could also do JPEG, JPEG if you want. They're both JPEG files. And you hit convert, and it converts it. And it's that simple. And so we convert these to the highest quality version or try to match the quality, but you do also have this options menu here, and it gets a little bit advanced with the tools on the back end, but you have full control over your conversions as well as the quality. You can change those. If you don't know what these commands are because you're not familiar with these tools, you can actually go inside the options builder that we have here, and you can adjust things with sliders like quality and turn on or off other features. There's a lot of features with images like cropping and rotating, flipping the image, etc., that you can actually add to your conversion if you want to, and then you can apply those. It'll basically write the command for you, and then you can save it for any WebP to JPEG conversions you want to do in the future. This also supports batch conversions, so you can drag in as many files as you want, and ConvertSave does audio, video, and image files. So there's a lot that you can convert here, and there's a lot of advanced options in here. We're coming out with some more features and actually a whole new kind of redesign. It's going to be awesome where you could just drag, drop, convert, save, and then have a ton of different features like image editor stuff that you can do. And we're looking to add even more formats. So that's ConvertSave. You can go check it out at convertsave.com, or I'll leave a link in the description down below. That's how you can convert WebP to JPEG using ConvertSave. And that works on Mac and Windows. And all of these conversions are offline. So there's no more uploading your files to random websites. You can do all of this on your desktop. You can even turn off your Wi-Fi or your network, and your conversions will work. And so that's ConvertSave. Appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.